You're unique, my potential is great. You're the wings beneath my flight. You define me, my potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might, I shall achieve you, my potential inside. Yes, open up your eyes, children. Good morning. Yes, good morning. Morning, children. Yes, everyone. Stand up. Don't sit down. We didn't do our breathing exercise. We didn't do our warm-up activity. Yes, good morning. Stand up, everyone. Nobody should sit. Okay, children? Breathing exercise shall we do? Breathe in and breathe out, okay? Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Okay, ready? 5 times you are going to do. First time, breathe in, breathe out, breathe out through your mouth. Like this, okay? Again, breathe in, breathe out. Dave Krish, I'm watching you. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, fourth time, breathe in, breathe out. Ashni, come on, do it. Breathe in, now breathe out. Very good, Janvi. Janvi, very good girl. Janvi finished over. Okay, now warm up activity. Yes, jumping. All of you jump for 10 times. Mom is going to count. I'm going to jump. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, children. Very good. Now running. Run in your places. Run. Run in your places. Very good. Fast running. Very good. Now hop. Lift one leg and hop. Lift one leg and hop. Hop. Very good, children. Now stop. Now emotions. Okay. Happy face. Show happy faces. Happy faces. Very good. Sad face. Very sad. Mom is very sad. And now angry face. Very. Dikshan. I'm really very frightened, Dikshan. Okay. And then fear face. When you are in fear, how your face will be. Oh my god, I'm afraid of cockroach. I'm afraid of lizards. Oh my god. Okay, very good. Now animal sounds. Okay. What does the dog say? And then what does the crow say? Crow. Yes, crow. How is it? Crow is there? Crow says. Very good. And then what does the cow say? Cow. Satvika, cow. Yes. Then what does the lion say? Lion. Yes, lion. Now let me see. Come again. I'm very frightened. Okay, next. What does the snake say? Snake says. Snake will say like that. Okay. And then how a gorilla will do? How gorillas will do? Yes. Yes. Very good, children. And then cat. Yeah, cat. Very good. Yes, very good. You mute yourself. Now kangaroo jump. Put your hands like this. Stand up. Again, you have to keep your hands like this. Kangaroo will have its hand like this, right? Front. And then you have to jump. jump, jump. Yes, kangaroo will jump like that, right? Yes, children. Ashni, where is your kangaroo jump? Come on, Ashni, jump. Siddharth, kangaroo jump. Keep it straight like this, front, front. Keep your hand front like this. And then jump, jump, jump. Okay, very good, children. Now dancing. How will you dance, children? How will you dance? Yes, how will you dance? How will you dance? Okay. How will you comb your hair? How will you comb your hair? Like this. How will you take bath? How will you take bath? Yes. How will you take bath? You'll pour water and then you'll apply soap and everything, right? Okay, children. How will you eat your food? Eating. Very good, Satvika Sri. Eating and then drinking. Drinking. Ivan? Ivan is not there. Drinking. Okay. Now you are drinking your milk, right? Drinking. Okay. Yarning. Yarning, how will you do? Let me see how many of you are doing correctly. Yarning. When you are sleepy, you'll open your mouth like this. Like that. No, that is yarning. Yarning. Very good. Next, sleeping. Sleeping. How will you sleep? Very good. Sleeping. Very good. Crying. You all know how to cry, right? Crying. Mommy. Yes. And now laughing. Laughing. Will you laugh? Laugh. Right? You have to laugh loudly. Like that you have to laugh. Okay? Laugh loudly. Very good, Siddharth. Karthikeyan, very good, Karthikeyan. Very good, all of you. Clap hands for yourself, children. Well done, children. Well done, well done. Clap your hands for yourself. Very good. Now sit down. We are going to take a segment session, okay? Be ready. Yesterday, what did you say? I'm in your name. My name is Vanilla. I'm in junior KG. Yes, like that you have to say. Say your name and you have to say in which class you are studying. Okay, children? Devarakshita. Devarakshita. Danvin.
My name is Danvin.
My name is Danvin Sai. I am junior KG.
Very good, Danvin. Wonderful, Danvin. Next is Devkrish. 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 Come on, Devkrish. Don't forget. Next. My name is Devkrish. I am in. Which class are you? Are you in nursery? Are you nursery? You are in junior KG, right? Yes, I'm in junior KG. Very good, Devkrish. Dikshan. Dikshan. You are in
Junior KG.
very good, Dikshan. Farnas. Farnas.
I am junior KG.
Very good, Farnas. Hashni.
Ma'am, my name is Asmi. I am junior KG.
Yes, very good, Ashni. Janvi. Janvi.
My name is Janavi. I'm not junior KG.
Look here and say, I am in junior KG. Okay, Karthikeyan.
I am junior. My name is Vanilla, ma'am. So my name is Karthikeyan. 4 years junior KG, 4 years old.
Very good, Karthikeyan. Well done, baby. Next, Kavyani. Kavyani. Thank you, Kavyani. Nitek. Nitek.
My name is Nitik. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Naitik. Nukshita. Nukshita.
My name is
Yes, very good, Nukshita. Come on. Good girl.
Chichi.
Yes, very good, Nukshita. Well done, Nukshita. Pranita. 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 Where is Pranita? Pranita. Pranita, are you there? Unmute and tell me, Pranita. I can't hear you. Unmute and tell me. Touch the mute button and tell me. Unmute and tell me. Yeah, Pranita. Unmute. Okay, Pranita, I'm marking you, okay? I'm marking you, okay?
Rebecca. Even చెప్పాలి yes ma'am I'm Rohita.
Rohita.
Yes. I'm
Rohita.
Rohita చెప్పండి yes ma'am
Yeah, fast, Rohita. Come on.
I am Rohita. Junior KG.
Yes, very good, Rohita. Thumbs up, Rohita. Very good.
ఇలా అంటాను
Okay, Ritvik. Ritvik, are you there? Ritvik.
అదే మ్యూట్ అని
Ritvik. No. Okay. Ritvik. Oh my God, Ritvik. Come on, tell me, Ritvik. Ritvik.
My name is Ritvik.
Yes. Look here. Ritvik, look here.
Ritvik.
అమ్మా సారీ అమ్మా
Yes.
సారీ
Sarthik சொல்லு. My name is Ritvik.
Yes. My name is Ritvik. I'm in junior KG. Very good, Ritvik. Very good. Sai Nitesh. I'm marking Sai Nitesh, okay? And then Satvika. Satvika. Yes, very good. Very good, Satvika. Siddharth. Siddharth.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Siddharth.
My name is Siddharth.
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Not boldly, Siddharth. Loudly. Okay. Look at ma'am. Look at ma'am.
சொல்லு.
Look at ma'am. Now you say. My name is Siddharth.
My name is Siddharth.
My name is Siddharth.
Which class are you?
I'm in junior KG.
Junior KG.
Very good, Siddharth. Good boy, Siddharth. Tarnika.
My name is Tanika. I am in junior KG.
Very good, Tarnika. Tilakar. Tilakar. Tilakar is there. Vivan. Vivan.
I'm Vivan. Say no.
Vivan. Vivan, one star. One star.
My name is Vivan. I'm in junior KG.
Vivan, star, look here. Vivan, one star.
Give me.
My name is Vivan.
Oh my God.
I'm in junior KG.
Say ma.
Yes, Vivan. Give Vivan a star in his hand. Yes, we'll give you star, okay? Good boy, Vivan.
Say ma.
Vivan. Ready? Ready is there? Ready? Okay. Children, very good children. Now get ready for our rhyme session. Phonic rhymes. Do you all remember? What is this? What is this? Ashni? Ashni, what letter is this?
Small H.
Small a. And the phonic rhyme?
Madam, it is reversed.
Sir?
No, reverse it.
Sorry. Okay, now which is correct, sir?
Yay.
Now correct.
Okay, thank you, sir. Small a, okay? And what is the phonic rhyme? Yes, do you remember?
சொல்லு
And Samayam, and Samayam, and Samayam, they are causing me alarm. How will you shout? Like that, okay? Then our next letter, Parnas.
small beach.
Small beach.
Ashni, mute yourself, ma.
Small beach.
Yes, Parnas. B. And what is the rhyme? Phonic rhyme? Phonic rhyme? B. Phonic rhyme. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. B. Okay? Very good, Farnas. Next letter, whom shall I ask? Nightek.
See Vanilla ma'am.
Nightek. Yes, sit, Ashni. Sit down. C. Okay, and what is the phonic sound? Phonic sound? Very good, Nightek. And sing the rhyme. We are clicking castanets. Nightek. We are clicking castanets. Others also should do, okay? We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Okay? Next letter, you are going to love it. Whom shall I ask this one? To Pranita.
B.
B. I told you it's not B. B means it will have front side curve, but it has a back side curve. What letter is this? D. Yes, Pranita?
Is this
D.
Vanilla ma'am?
What is the
I
phonic
am
sound for D?
Kavianya. I'm friend.
Kavyani, mute yourself. Mute. Okay. Pranita, D. Sing the rhyme for D. Sing the rhyme for D. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play up on my drum. Yes. What is the action? Da da da. Okay. Next, I'm going to ask Nokshita.
No.
Nokshita.
Speak louder.
E.
E. What is the phonic rhyme for E?
E.
What? What rhyme? Yes. Do anyone remember? Raise your hand those who remember. Yes. Who remembers? Very good, Daniel. Come on. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Crack the egg like this. Very good, children. And today's worksheet, we are going to see alphabet C. Okay, and this is our worksheet. Okay, everyone, be ready with this worksheet. This is our worksheet which we are going to do it today. C. Yes? Come on, get ready, everyone. C. Get ready.
I'm not ready, Vanilla ma'am.
Very good, Kavyani. Get ready. Yes, come on, get ready, everyone. Yes, first is this worksheet. You are going to trace with your pointer finger first. Okay, children? Pointer finger, that is our first step. First, you have to trace it with your pointer finger. Then only we will continue writing the alphabet. This page, okay? First, with your pointer finger. Okay, children? Where is your pointer finger, everyone? Very good diction. Started now itself. Very good diction. Pointer finger. Keep the pointer finger at number 1. Where is number 1 in the picture? Here. From here, you are going to come down like this. C. C. Okay, again. A big curve. C. Can you see? Yes, Vivan. Start doing it. Yes. Come on, Vivan, do it. Here, C. Have to do it 3 times, children. Count and do 3 times. Okay, 1, C. 1, 2, and then 3. 3 times you have to do like that, okay? And next, take this page. This page. Yes, everyone can see the worksheet? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, children, now see here. C. C. Capital C and small c. Phonic sound of C is K. Okay? C for cow. Okay? C for camera. Next, C for caterpillar. And then the last one, C for candle. Okay, children, first you have to name the pictures and then only you have to go for writing. Okay? C is very easy, children. You can write it very fast. Okay? The ma'am is going to write. C. C. It's very easy, children. C. Yes, children, try writing it on your own. It's very easy to write alphabet C. Start from the red line and end in the blue line. This is capital C. Capital C. Spell and write, children. Yes. Spell and write. C. Start from the red line and end in the blue line. Yes. Once you finish capital C, we are going to write a small letter C. Okay. See, ma'am has finished capital C and ma'am is moving on to small letter C. Children, you have to note down one thing in this. Capital letter C, you will start from the red line. But small letter C, you will be writing between the blue lines. Can you see the blue lines there? Yes, small c, right between only the blue line. You should not go to the red line. Should not start from the red line, children. Okay? Yes, it is clearly given. You can trace it very well. C, spell and write. C. Pranita. C. Like this, you can write. C. Yes, slowly. Yes, right, Siddharth. Satvika. Satvika. You're not having worksheet, Satvika. Then you can write in a notebook or in a slate, Satvika.
Yeah, she's writing in four lines.
Okay, okay, sir. Very good, Naitik. I think you finished. Tanvi finished. Very good. Tanvin. Tanvin, you finished. Very good, Tanvin. Okay, just and show it to me. Na? I'll see on that. Karthikeyan finished. Tanvin finished. Kavyani finished. Very good, very good. Who's this? I can't see the face. Okay, Tarnika, very good finish. Pranita finished. Then Rohita also finished. Very good, Rohita.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, chudu.
Very good, Rohita. Then Pooja finished. Nukita, Ashni,
I'm writing, ma'am.
Janavi. Yeah, right. Very good, Nukshita. Very nice, Nukshita. Very good girl, Nukshita.
చెప్పు
Nice.
కలిసి ఒకసారి నేను చెప్పింది ఈ రెడ్ లైన్ నుంచి బ్లూ లైన్ వరకు రాస్తే కరెక్ట్ ఓన్లీ బ్లూ లైన్ లో చిన్నగా రాస్తే స్మాల్ సి
Ritvik. You're all writing? Where is Ritvik? Yes, come on, Devkrish. Show it to me. Very good, Devkrish. Very nice. Karthikeyan also very good. I saw your notebook. Nice. Nice. Vivan, are you writing, Vivan? Janavi?
He's writing, madam.
Okay. Okay, where is Janavi? Right. Okay, right, Janavi. Slowly you write. Give your time. Take your own time and write neatly, okay? But nobody should ask your parents to hold your hand and write, children, okay? Try writing on your own. Slowly write because it is very easy alphabet, right? Yes, Vivan is also writing very good, Vivan. Good boy, Vivan. Yeah, I saw this. Yeah, Dikshan, very nice, Dikshan. Good boy, Dikshan. Good boy. Okay, I saw. Parnas? Yes, very good. Very good. Yeah, the Kavyani, very good, Kavyani. Yeah, I saw Kavyani. Good girl, nice. I think everyone has finished. Yes, everyone have finished, I think. Now it's time for our transition time. Everybody, those who finished, stand up. Stand up. Turn around one time. And then run inside. Drink one glass of water and come back. Yes, go inside. Drink one glass of water and come back. Yeah, ma'am is waiting here. Those who finished can go drink some water and come back. Yeah, Tarnika, you can go drink water and come. Drink water and come. Come on. Drink some water. Yes. Dikshan, go drink some water and come. Finish. Very good. Daily you have to have some water next to you, children. Okay? Because daily we are having this, right? Yes, Ashni. Ashni finished. Ranita, you drank water? Good. Ashni drank water. Ashni. What happened to Ashni? Yes, drink. Karthikeyan finished drinking water. Okay, now all of you come back to your places. Come on. Time up. Yeah, children. Come on. Yes, Ritvik, Rohita. Everyone. Ready? You have to see our maths subject also, right? Come on. Ukshita, Pranita, Janvi, Kavyarni, Dev Guresh, Naitek, Hashne, everyone, come on. Yeah, very good, children. Now sit down. Can you see the board, children? Can you see this board? Yes? Can you see the board, everyone? Thumbs up if you can see. You can see the board? Thumbs up. Yeah, you all can see. Now mute yourself. Mute yourself, everyone. Yes. Now we are going to see numbers. Okay? What number is this, Satvika? Satvika, what number is this? 1. Very good. 1 after 2. 2 after 3. 3 after 4. 4 after 5. Very good, Parnas. 5 after. Yes, Parnas. Satvika, mute ma. Parnas. 5 after. What number is this? 6. 6 after. 7. Kartikeyan. Now you should say 7 after 8. Very good, Kartikeyan. 8 after 9. Devkrish. 9 after 9 after. What is this number? 1 0. 1 0. Very good. 10. Now see here, children. Once again, I am telling you. 1 plus 2. 2 after 3. 3 after 4. 4 after 5. 5 after 6. 6 after 7. 7 after 8. 8 after 9. And 9 after 1 0 10. Always you should say 2 digits like this, children. Okay? Even if it is 11 12 also, you should say 1 11 1 2 12 like that. Okay, children? So this is 1 0 10. Hereafter you should not say it as 10. Should say 1 0 10. Okay, children? Okay, now I am going to remove one number from here. Let me see who is going to find out what is that number. Whom shall I ask? Danvin.
2.
1. Next number.
2. అదేంటి నా బాధ ముట్టు
Yes, 3 will come. 1 after. What will come?
2. 2.
2. So there is no 2 here, right? Now ma'am is 2. Okay. Next is Parnas. Parnas. 1, 2, 3. Next what number? Next what number? Yes, Anita. What number? 4. Very good. Not 4. Now we are going to pick number 4 here. Okay, children. And then Naitek. Naitek. Find the missing number here.
Yes, ma'am.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What number is missing? What number is missing? One more time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What number? 7. Now we are going to pick number 7. Yeah. Next, whom shall I ask? Janvi. Janavi?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you there? Come on. Roll count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What will come here?
Still louder.
What will come here? 8 after. What is not here, Janavi? What is not here? Can anybody tell me? Karthika, can you hear? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What number is not here? Nine. Nine is good. Nine is not here. Nine. Is it correct, children? Yes, very good. Now, next worksheet, max worksheet, we are going to do now, okay? It is D07. Max worksheet, I'll show you. This worksheet. This worksheet we are going to do. Number is D07MT. Okay? Is it ready? I'll present now, okay? You see the sheet? Yes. First, we are going to count the number of oranges, okay? Shall we count? You have to strike it out and count, children. Have it in your mind. Always strike out and count. See, Mommy? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Children, there are 8 oranges, right? Can you see number 8 here? Can you see number 8 here? Where is it? Yeah, see, ma'am is going to teach now. Yes, number 8. And next, we are going to count the number of birds. Okay, count along with ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many birds are there? 9 birds, right? Can you see number 9 here, children? Can you see number 9 here? Yes, now we are going to match number 9. Birds number 9. Yes. Next, we are going to count the number of tops. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you see number 6? Where is number 6? Here. So match number 6. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where is number 7? Number of bottles are 7. So we are going to match number 7. And next, we need to count the number of cups. Okay? Ready, children? We are going to complete the number of stars. Yes, mute yourself, children. Then only you can hear me. Mute yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the middle one 10. Okay, there are 10 cups. So 1, 0, 10. Where is 1, 0, 10, children? Have to match 1, 0, 10. Here. Yes, finish. Those who finish, lift your paper and show it to me. Just lift it up and show it to me. I'll see everyone. Yeah.
Camera
Yes, very good, Ashley. Very good, very good, Rohita, very good. Dikshan, sorry, Dikshan, very good. Nautik, very good. Kartikeyan, very good. Dikshan, good. Vivan, very good, Vivan. Dharnika, good. Siddharth, very good. Rohita, good. Abhyani, finished. Yes, yes. Siddharth, finish. Siddharth, did you finish? Yes. Okay, now very good, children. Now all of you, those who finished, keep your workbooks aside. Take your notebook. It's time for our drawing activity. Yes, come on. Take your notebook, colors. It's time for our drawing activity. Take your notebook, colors, crayons, whatever you have. Take it.
Keldi. AMD. Circle a group of 10 objects in each box. Amma.
Yes, children. Shall we start drawing? Ready? If you are ready, thumbs up. If you are ready, thumbs up if you are ready.
Ma'am, thumbs up చూపించు.
When you are ready, thumbs up.
పెట్టిరా. ఇలా చూపించు.
Yeah. Okay, Dhanvin is ready. Shall we start? Yes. See, children, first you have to draw. Now we are going to draw a cat, okay? Using shapes. Okay, children? For that, first you have to draw a rectangle like this. Draw a rectangle like this. Yes, Satvika, come on. Draw a rectangle like that first. Take a pencil, eraser and colors, okay? And then you are going to draw a circle here. Yes, use your eraser and erase all these extra lines. Okay? This is the head of the cat, circle. Okay? And then we are going to draw 2 triangles to make it ears. Okay, children, once you finish, you have to take a photo and send it in WhatsApp, children. Color and send it in WhatsApp, okay? 2 triangles to make its ears and 1 triangle to make its tail. Yes. It's very easy, children. Try drawing it on your own. Okay? Yes, now we are going to draw small rectangles to make its legs. Okay. Now the legs are ready. What did we miss now? Something is missing. What is that? We didn't draw the face, right? Only the face circle we have drawn. We didn't draw the eyes, nose, mouth and all, right? Shall we draw it? Yes, draw 2 eyes. Okay, and then another triangle to make its nose, children. Now we are going to draw the whiskers. Yes. Yes. Now a small mouth here. Yeah, our cat is over. First we drew a rectangle. Then we drew a circle. Then we made its ears using triangle. And then we made a tail by using a triangle. Satvika, try drawing it, Satvika. Come on. Everyone should put your photos in WhatsApp, children. I want to see all of your cat. Okay? Color it and send it in WhatsApp group. Okay? Don't forget it. Okay? And then Ritvik, Sanita, Dikshan, are you all drawing? Once you finish drawing, lift it up and show me your notebook. Do you want the picture? Shall I come back? Yeah, Mom is coming back. Did you all draw the picture, children? A rectangle, circle, triangle, using all these shapes. Did you all draw a cat? Yes. Yes. Yes, Farnas. Yes, very nice, Farnas. Color it and send it in WhatsApp group, okay? Okay. Next, who is that? Let me see. Karthikeyan. Very good, Karthikeyan. How nice your cat is. Very nice. Good, good. Okay. Very good, Natik. I saw your cat, Natik. It's wonderful, Natik. Very nice. Then who finished? Yes, Rohita. Rohita finished and she's coloring. Very good, Rohita. Take a snap and send it, Rohita. Danvin, where are you?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Danvin, very nice, Danvin. Did you draw, Danvin? Did you draw it on your own? It's very nice, Danvin. Well done, Danvin. Beautiful, Danvin.
Green
Then,
color.
Ivan, draw. Ivan, did you draw? Oh my God, very nice, Vivan. Good, Vivan. Color it and send it, okay?
మాత్రమే గ్రీన్
Janvi.
తల్లి
Janvi. Where is Janvi? Okay, Kavyani, show me your notebook. Yeah. Who is showing now? Kavyani. Kavyani, I can't see anything, Kavyani.
Siddharth, ma'am.
Ah, very good. Very good, Kavyani. Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, wait, Siddharth, I'm coming. Very nice, Siddharth. Super, Siddharth. Hasni. Well done, Hasni. Very good cat, Hasni. Then, Devkrish. Devkrish, did you draw?
ఇప్పుడు ఎల్లో కలర్ మిగిలింది ఎల్లో
Show me, Devkrish. Show it closer, Devkrish.
ஓகேவா இப்போ
Devkrish,
போட போறோம் கேட்
show me, show me, show me. Yeah, ma'am is here. Show me. Why, what happened? Why is angry? Very, very
போட போறோம்
nice, Devkrish. Still 2 legs you have to draw, Devkrish. Pranita, show me your paper.
4 அப்புறம்
Yes.
அப்புறம் எங்க இருக்கு
இங்க
இது கொஞ்சம்
Closer, Pranita. Big cat, right? Very
இங்க வந்து
good. Did I miss anyone? Ritvik?
சர்க்கிள் போட்டுட்டு ரெண்டு ஐஸ் போட போறோம்
Ritvik, nice. I saw yours.
ஐஸ் போட்டுட்டு
Purpose, did you draw?
அதுதான் நோஸ். இப்படி போட்டுட்டு ஸ்மைலி போட்டு வாய்.
Where is yours, Varnas? Yes, Varnas. Very nice. Very nice. This way. Very good. Yeah, Rohita, I saw yours. Very nice. Janvi, I didn't see yours. Satvika, where is your cat?
Ma'am, Janvi.
Cat, Satvika. Rohita, ma'am, come on. Yes. Okay, children. Children, all of you listen here. Parents, you are nearby.
Ma'am, Janvi's cat.
Janvi, very nice, Janvi. Good, Janvi. Good, good. Parents, if you are nearby, can you see me? I'm having a notebook, 4-line notebook. From Monday, we are going to start writing a new notebook that is 4-line notebook for English. 4-line notebook and daily one page with four alphabets. 4-line notebook. Okay? So A, B, C, D. This will be the homework for today. In a 4-line notebook, draw 4 columns and write A, B, C, D. This page is enough. Only this page. You have to write, ask your child to write and send it in WhatsApp group. Okay? And maths. Yeah.
We want to buy a separate notebook, ma'am. Otherwise, it is
If you already have a notebook, use the same notebook.
Okay.
If you already have the notebook, you use the same notebook. If you don't have, you buy it because some parents have got plain notebook now. Those are already having 4-line notebook, you can write in that and send it. Those are not having, I am telling. For language, we have to use 4-line notebook. Capital letters only we are going to start first. A, B, C, D. And then math 1 to 10 numbers in a checked notebook. Can see, I think. Everyone can see. 1 to 10 numbers.
1 to 10.
Please put an arrow like this after 2 boxes. 1, 2, 3. So 3 times they have to write. 1 to 10, 1 to 10, 1 to 10.
It is not visible, ma'am. Please show it clearly.
Yes, can you see the arrow mark? Can you see the arrow mark like that? Equal spacing. Give the arrow mark so that they can write in this column only. 3 times it is enough. 1 to 10. So maths and English, these are the homework. If you have any doubts, I'll put the picture of this in WhatsApp group also. You can see it.
Okay.
Kindly make your child to write it and send it in WhatsApp group. Okay, parents?
Thank you, ma'am.
Any doubts? Any doubts?
Ma'am, ma'am,
No doubts? Okay, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in WhatsApp group. I'll clear it to you. Okay? Finish the homework and you post the photos in WhatsApp group, parents. Yes, yes. Have a great weekend, Saturday, Sunday, holiday, right? Have a great weekend. Be safe. Play well. Be happy. Okay? Bye, children. Bye, everyone. Bye, bye, Janvi. Bye, Rohita. Bye, Niket. Bye, bye. Big bye for everyone. Bye, children. Yeah, bye. Bye.